Picture this organization, and many of you won't have to use too much imagination. They've invested significant efforts in developing software and products in an agile manner. They formed agile teams, they train everybody. They've transformed, right? They are managing features and stories in JIRA or ADO. But if you look deeper, despite the fact that they're transformed, there's no real agility. It's the existing teams just using different names. They're using agile tools, but it's still functional slices of the work. There's still some flow of stories, maybe even features. They're asking questions every day. They have velocity and burn downs. They're doing agile at the team level, mechanically, but it's still a theater, right? Products still require collaboration across many teams. Typically, many months pass before something potentially valuable is integrated and available for customer feedback, not to say release. The product managers don't really understand why they expected to become product owners of these teams. So the tech organization assigned product owners who create stories, manage the backlog, manage team interactions, but they don't really own a product. They don't even own product level outcomes. This organization might even adopt an agile scaling framework to help them manage this crazy web of dependencies. Remember, those are still the existing teams. So in order to achieve something of value, they all need to work together. So they need something to help them manage, all of these dependencies. And while implementing this framework, they did the same thing that they've done when they've implemented Agile at the team level. They ignore the intent and the principles. They take the easy way out of slapping lipstick on a pig. They, put on some additional theater rather than making the changes. And, one of the things that typically happens in this sort of organization is product leaders look at this and they think Agile is a sham. They start to look for an alternative. But can you guess what will happen? Want to bet on what will happen when they install, the next big thing, a product operating model?